everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. We just got back from the gym and it is Friday already. Happy Friday. I'm gonna make some breakfast right now. I have a full weekend of doing things because my aunt and my little cousin are visiting from Dominican Republic, so I wanted to take you along throughout these few days. I'm gonna try my best to include everything that we do. If not, it's just gonna be little clips. I am going to take my little cousin to visit one of the colleges that she wants to go to. So let's get started with this vlog. This is my little cousin.
Hi vlog.
She's doing a little haul.
I wanted to slide, but
So I got this oversized, what is it? A comforter? A shirt?
Blanket.
Yeah.
That's cute. It matches your
My
your
room
scarf.
aesthetic. Oh yeah. I got these socks. They're not for me, but I got them.
$10, guys.
Bruh.
$10 for Adidas socks.
And this
More
pair of
socks.
like low-cut socks.
They match your outfit.
Yeah.
Vibes.
So yeah, that's that.
That's it?
Oh, and then these. This is just gifts.
Gifts,
And
nice.
it was a total of $30.
What? How
all
much?
of these.
How much was that blanket?
Like 9.
We need to go to that store.
Yeah, and mommy was like, nah, that's expensive. Like, girl,
What?
that's a steal.
Mira, baby, di que $10 nada más. Tenemos que ir para esa tienda.
you got cheesies too?
Breakfast is served. I'm gonna bring it upstairs to Will because he's in a meeting. So I just received a package and I wanted to open it up with you guys. Hims and Hers reached out to me and they wanted to send me all of their hair products for me to try out. And wow, there's a lot of stuff here. They didn't really tell me what they were going to send me. She just said a bunch of hair stuff. So you guys know I love doing my hair, so I am very excited. I got the Rapid Repair hair mask right here. And then I got the triple thread. The shampoo and the conditioner. It is supposed to get fuller looking hair, cleanse, build up, and help strengthen strands. Right here. I've used their shampoo before and it's really, really good. I ran out of it, so that's how you can tell I liked it. And then they sent me their biotin builder right here. I had their other one before, so I know these are very good. They're so cold. I think it was like sitting outside for long, so they're probably like really hard.
Yeah, just going here.
Yeah.
USPS, just pop it.
Oh, wow, there's so many things. And then they send me the hair regrowth treatment. Oh, this one is minoxidil topical aerosol 5%, and this one is minoxidil topical solution USP 2%. I don't know the difference, but it's to regrow my hair, so I'm here for it. And then they sent me the detox scalp scrub right here, and they sent me a little scrubber. So cute. I never had one of these, so I'm very excited. Look how cute. And it has their name, Hers. It's like for you to massage your scalp. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me all of these products. I am so excited and grateful that companies want to actually work with me. Like, that warms my heart so much. So I seen this hack on TikTok where you put the string through the two loops, but from the front, like that. Like, you just put it through in the front, and then you just pull it towards the front and make a bow. This is honestly innovative, life-changing. This is going nowhere. This is not opening up. I am baffled. I bought this spray right here for the shower. So you're supposed to spray this every time you get out of the shower, and it's supposed to help with cleaning the bathroom whenever you have to. It smells so good. I love to spray it all over. It's from Target. So I just spray it every time. And it just smells like a spa right after you get out the shower. It's not slippery at all whenever like you shower the next day. So I was not able to blow dry my hair. Per usual, I am running late like every other day. So right now we're heading to the college to take my little cousin, and my aunt is right here. So yeah, we're running late, so let's go. We are back from the tour. It was a really nice school. My little cousin really liked it. So as you could see, my hair is basically almost dry, which will make my drying time so much faster. So let's do that because we have to go to the mall. Will went to Chick-fil-A with them to get some food because we have not eaten, only breakfast, and this is the first time that my cousin tastes Chick-fil-A, so she's pretty excited about that. But I'm going to dry my hair real quick. I'm gonna do it real quick because we're running late. This whole day has just been running late, like for everything. This is the fastest that I've blow dried my hair. fastest I've done my hair. Like, so freaking fast. I think the fact that my hair was already air dried helped a lot. Still have to do my eyebrows tonight, and I have to pack because we're going to Poconos in Pennsylvania to spend some time with family since my aunt is here to visit. So we're gonna spend it with my uncle, and hopefully I could take you along. I don't know yet, but we're going to the mall right now. So what do you think about Chick-fil-A?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yep. Better than I expected. I thought people were just hyping it up.
What do you get?
Same as you.
No.
Oh, my chicken sandwich?
Yeah, but without cheese. Fries.
Yum.
And some nuggies. And a sweet tea.
Yum. Finally, I get to eat. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Show the lettuce.
Yeah, I know. I told him no lettuce, and he put it, so I had to take it off. He had one job. One job.
Really good job.
But either way, I'm grateful. Thank you, baby, for my food. We are eating at our favorite spot. We're bringing Mariana. Morning, guys. So we're going to Poconos. Today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. And we already got our Starbies. Wait, let me show mine. Hey, baby, show yours.
It's the same as always.
My aunt doesn't want to be in camera, so she's too famous for us. And we got our food. It is a long ride. It's about 4 hours, so I will be editing videos and just showing you the scenery, the road, the way there, the beauty. It's super cold over there, and we're gonna spend some time with family, and yeah, I wanted to take you along through my day or my weekend, I guess. So let's get started with this day. Editing on the go with my green juice. Little update, we are still on the road. We finally made it.
What number is it?
After 4 long hours.
8:19.
Here is our little room. It is so cute. It looks so cozy. Love the bed. And then we have a little living room and a small kitchen. Wow, look at this bathroom. The shower. Bring over, baby. Ideas for our next home. I love that. Love the black accents. And then there's like some storage here that we're obviously not gonna use, but I really like this shower. What do we see here? Is this a balcony?
No, it's like an outside TV,
Oh, wow. Views. Love
but
that.
it's like golf.
How beautiful. Snow. This must be nice in the summer, like to just open and stuff. And most importantly, a body mirror, OOTDs. So I am wearing a Boohoo sweater. Gap leggings, the best leggings that you can ever have. They're double lined, they are not see-through, super thick, and they keep everything together. And then I have my Boohoo sneakers that I absolutely love. If you're buying any sneakers from Boohoo, these have to be the ones. I bought them for $20, but I checked the website because I wanted to buy another pair since these are like 4 or 3 years old. And they're 30. But Boohoo always has a sale, so I definitely recommend them. They remind me of the New Balance that I want. I know you heard me.
What?
I know you heard me.
What?
My New Balances. He hates them. He thinks they're like dad shoes, which
I
they
didn't
are.
buy the New Balances. They
Yeah,
are
but I want the
really
black
ugly
ones. Can you guys message him and tell him to buy me
Those shoes are like for me when I'm
my
like,
New Balances?
when I'm 85.
You're not going to be 85 anytime soon, so. And this is my meal. I eat healthy, guys, sometimes. This is the decoration for my aunt's birthday. Really cute. We're finally home from the long week. Well, it wasn't a long weekend, but from the long drive to Pennsylvania. And today's the last night.
Sadly,
She's leaving tomorrow.
I don't want to. What if I like purposely miss my flight? Like, oh my god, I fell asleep.
We're just chilling. We already unpacked and they packed. And now we're going to try some bao buns. Well, we already tried it, but Mariana wanted to try them for the first time. They're from Trader Joe's. They are so good. And then you can add soy sauce if you want to. So. Are you kidding? It's a video. Look at that.
Here it is.
We're about to share it.
What is it
She's
inside?
huge.
Yeah.
Shake it.
She's
Creo que
hollow.
tiene unos grandes, ¿no?
What if it's a...
¿Y cómo tú lo vas a abrir?
¿Qué tiene adentro?
Déjame ver, let me see.
Nada, I told
Let
you
me
it was
see,
hollow.
let me see. Are you serious?
Mira.
Did we just get played?
Mucho aire tiene.
Yeah.
What? No, come here, show me this.
So you're about to experience something absolutely
What?
disastrous. It
Creyendo
should have
que
at
tenía
least had like
algo,
Wow,
caramel.
that is, I want my money back.
Los chiquitos
Caramel.
tienen como una galletica por dentro. Es como relleno de
Unbelievable.
galletica.
We bought a couple of stuff during the weekend. We went to Target and I got this body wash. I feel like my skin has been very dry because of the heat and just like I shower really hot water. So I wanted to try this one. It smells so good. And then I went to Sephora, but the one inside JCPenney, and they were having a sale. I don't know exactly why, but I bought a couple of things. Well, no, this was on sale, but I bought other things there. I got the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This was 50% off, so I believe I paid like $15, maybe less. I am not sure. I got it in the shade 320. This was the closest to my skin color. And then I seen this brand. I didn't know they had it at Sephora. I've seen it a lot on TikTok. So it's the Inky List. I got the hyaluronic acid serum. And then I got this right here, the salicylic acid cleanser. I wanted to try it out, and this is super cheap. I don't know why it's so inexpensive. This reminds me a lot of The Ordinary. This right here. My cousin gave me this for Christmas. She got me the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I honestly forgot that this was a hyaluronic acid and got this. So I might go back to Sephora and switch it to another serum because they have different ones. And then she also got me for Christmas the Blooms moisturizer that I used to use a lot and I loved. Right here, the Bloom Cream Probiotic Moisturizer. I stopped using it because it is so expensive. Like, it becomes expensive if you continue to buy it because it doesn't have that much product. So I'm glad she got it for me because I truly love this brand. And yeah, I know I have to do my nails, but I'm waiting to go to DR to get them done since they do it so cheap over there. But I can't believe they have lasted this long. I got these nails for New Year's and it's already the end of January. So it's been like 3 weeks. That's crazy to me. And yeah, that's all I got. I still have the products from hers that I need to try out. And I'm going to the gym. This is the set from Marshalls / Home Goods, or is it TJ Maxx / Home Goods? I don't know, but it fits so good. This faja gives you like an instant BBL. This is from Amazon. It helps me sweat around this area. And then this sweater is from Shein, which I absolutely love. I wear it to travel, to run errands, to do everything. And then my Vans. I am getting dressed because I'm getting my lashes done, and this is what I'm wearing so far, but I still don't know which jacket I want to wear, so let's see how they look. So we have this one. This is from Shein and I wear it all the time. This is how it looks. I like it. Let's see the other one. Then we have this one. This one is from Shein too. This is how it looks. I like this one more. I don't know. You tell me. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna go with this one because I wear the other one so much. And I think it looks really good with the outfit. So this is my outfit. This top, this bodysuit is from Shein. The sweats are from Boohoo. Sneakers, Boohoo, and Shacket Shein. And once again, I forgot to make an outro for this video. I already went to get my eyelashes done. I don't know if you could see it, but they came out so nice. She always does such a good job. I am going to tag her in the description box, so if you're in the Massachusetts, Rhode Island area, you can go and get your lashes done by her. I am currently at the airport because we are heading to Dominican Republic. I will be vlogging that, so stay tuned for that video. I just wanted to close off this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a well-needed trip with the family and with my cousin visiting and all that. It was a really nice weekend. We already miss her, but we're gonna see her literally in like a couple of hours because my aunt is gonna go pick us up at the airport. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to comment in the section down below. I like to talk to you guys. But I hope you guys have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye guys.